We're even, Donald said under his breath as soon as the men was gone. He waited for the lift to chime before launching into action. There was a plastic drink container on the drying rack by the sink.
In 600 feet, turn right onto South 1st Street.
The pitch of the vessel filling like a rising anxiety. The lid came off the powder. 2 scoops. He stirred with one of the long plastic tongue depressors and twisted the lid on. Put the powder back in the fridge. The wheelchair wouldn't budge at first. He
turn right onto South 1st Street.
Arms pressing into the soft rubber. He freed these, grabbed one of the blankets from the tall cabinet and a paper gown, tossed them onto the seat, just like before. But he'd do it right this time. He collected the medical kit, made sure there was a fresh set of gloves. The wheelchair rattled out the door and down the hall, and Donald's palms
continue on current road for about 1 mile.
To keep the front wheel silent, he rocked the chair back